Welcome to this short introduction video for the Insights Hub Launchpad. In this video, we will present to you an overview of the Insights Hub Launchpad. After logging in to Insights Hub, you arrive at the Launchpad, which is the central landing page where you find all the applications you have access to. These could be applications from Siemens and applications from other companies. In the second tab, you find all the system tools. Especially with the admin role, you'll find here all the tools you need to administer and manage this environment. If you don't have access to any system tools, this tab will not be visible. In the third tab, you find all the available guided tours, which will help you get to know some specific applications or entire workflows better. On the top of the Launchpad is the standard header, which also appears in each Insights Hub application. The Launchpad button on the top left will always bring you back to the Launchpad. The environment menu shows the name and the type of the current environment. You can click on it to open the menu. It shows the basic information about this environment at the top. To be able to switch quickly to another environment, you'll find direct links to other environments associated with your Insights Hub account, as well as a link to the environment selection page, which contains a list of all the environments you have access to. The bottom area of this pop-up could be filled by the tenant admin with helpful links and contacts inside or outside of Insights Hub. Next is the Notification Center. Here, you can view all kinds of notifications from the system itself or from specific applications. The information menu contains lots of helpful links, like a direct path to the support, a link to the documentation, or legal information. Next to the info, you will find the user menu containing the user preferences and the option to log out of Insights Hub. Now you have all the information needed to start your own journey. Have fun exploring Insights Hub yourself. For more information, find further links, other videos, and the technical documentation in the description below.